have these existing customer details in my Google Sheet, and now here to make these customers repurchase from my store, I want to send these special discount offers to all these customers on WhatsApp. But now manually sending WhatsApp messages to all these customers is very tiring task. In that case, I have got an automation solution. So using that, I'm going to send automated WhatsApp messages to all my customers with their personalized name and also a special discount code automatically without any manual effort. Yes, you heard it right. So here on my screen, you can see a simple automation that I have built between my Google Sheets and my all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chartflow. So here I'm going to use Pabbly Chartflow to send the automated WhatsApp messages, but if you want, you can use another WhatsApp communication platforms as well, such as Vati, Interact, WhatsApp by SNC or WhatsApp Cloud API as well. Alright, so now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire automation for your business. And to begin with the process, you need to access this automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, by searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost effective price. So go and get yours now and make sure you use my code, which is ROMYT, while making the purchase. And for your reference, I have also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first, and here you can see two options. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So this is a new AI workflow builder launched by Pabbly Connect. So we're going to use that, and here we're going to start a fresh chat. Here it says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to give a single line of prompt to this AI builder describing my workflow. So let me add that. When a new data comes in from Google Sheets, send WhatsApp message via Pabbly Chartflow. So this is a single line of prompt that I've given, and after analyzing my request, it is asking which Google Sheets trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new or updated spreadsheet row, and for the Pabbly Chartflow, I'm going to select my action as send text message. Here it says ready to create this workflow. Here you can have a preview of your workflow, and if it is correct, then you can simply approve and create. And you can see we have received a workflow link. That means we have successfully created a workflow using AI Workflow Builder. So now here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here you can see we have selected our app and the app event, and here we have received the webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged into my Google Sheets account. So this is the spreadsheet that I already have, and now here in order to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, you need to install an add-on on your Google Sheets account first. For that, click on this extension, select add-ons, and then select get add-ons. Now here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you need to install an add-on on your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. Once you're going to install the add-on, then you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now you have to installing the add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Then click on this extensions, and then you'll be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. From here, you need to select initial setup. Now under this initial setup, you can see it is asking for a webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, we are going to add the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly Pabbly's workflow. And for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So you can see in my Google Sheet, my last data column is column C. So we're going to add it over here and then we're going to click on this submit. It says setup configured successfully. So now here after setting up the webhook, we are going to click on the send as button to send the first read of our Google Sheets on this webhook URL, that means on our Pabbly's workflow. And it says test data sent successfully. So let's go and check it. But before moving back, let me tell you that you need to perform another very important step in order to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this extension, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and from here turn on the send on event. By turning it on automatically, when you're going to add a new detail in your Google Sheets, instantly Pabbly is going to capture the response. Alright, let's go and check it, and you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Now after receiving the details, we are going to send the automated WhatsApp message to our customers with the discount coupon code. So for that, we are going to use Pabbly chat flow, and here we are going to build a new connection for the same. Here it is asking for the API token, and to get this token you need to access your Pabbly Chartflow account from this All Pabbly Apps window by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chartflow account. So here to learn how you can connect yours, you can watch out the video tutorials available on our YouTube channel for the same. For now, to get the API token, we're going to click on the settings and then we're going to select API and webhooks. This is our API token. We're going to add it over here, and then we're going to click on this save. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is. It is asking for a respond WhatsApp mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here instead of entering my customer's number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new data from our Google Sheets. Then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we are going to search for the number. So this is our customer's number, and then comes the WhatsApp message. So here I need to enter the message that I want to send to my customer with a proper discount coupon code. So let me add that. Alright, here I've successfully added the message where I've added my customer's name in the place of name, and this is the message where I've used asterisk before and after some text to make that text bold. Alright, let's move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank, and for the keys we're going to turn on this map button, and then we're going to leave this field blank as I don't want to add any key. Now after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request, but before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So let me add mine. Alright, after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message with a discount coupon code on my WhatsApp number. Let's go and check it. And you can see I have received an instant message over here with the name hi test user, and this is exactly the same message. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now here you might be thinking that how you can send this message to all these customers in bulk, that too in one click. For that, you need to click on this extension, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on the send all data. And as soon as you're going to select this feature, your automated WhatsApp messages will be sent to all these customers whose data you have in your Google Sheet. So this is how you can send the bulk discount coupon codes to all your customers on WhatsApp. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.